Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own, and it is very easy. So what you have to do is, first of all you have to do is open your Instagram app on your phone, and let's suppose I will open this story, and let's say if I want to use this story as my own story. So what I will do, I will simply take a screenshot of this photo, and then I will click on the edit button. And then I will edit out the unnecessary spaces from the top, from the bottom, and then click on save. Now my picture has been saved. Now what I will do, I will go back to Instagram, and then I will click on your story icon, and then I will select the image, and then I can make the changes. I can also add my own text. For instance, I will select the text button. So I will type "so excited for the launch of new graphics card from Nvidia," and I will place my text on top of this text, and then I will simply post my story. And that's how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.